Hello everyone, this is TFS. We are going to install Tensorflow Metal on this M1 Pro. We know that Tensorflow on Apple Silicon is not directly compatible, and so Apple has released a pluggable device to make things work, and this will utilize the powerful GPU cores. The process is pretty straightforward. So just following the instructions given in the Apple website, it's pretty easy to install Tensorflow Metal. Press enter to continue, and we need to agree the license. Just confirm the location where you want to install the MiniForge Conda. Now we have successfully installed the Conda MiniForge. And now let's install the Apple TensorFlow dependencies. Now let's install base TensorFlow, and then later on we will install the Metal plugin. Now we have successfully installed TensorFlow, and now let's install the pluggable device, which is the TensorFlow Metal plugin. Great, now we have successfully installed everything, and now let's check if TensorFlow is working in our Python terminal. Let's open our Python terminal. And let's import TensorFlow, and we can check the version. Here we go. Now the TensorFlow is installed successfully. The version is 2.6. That's it for now, guys. Stay tuned, and in our next video we are going to compare the performance between Collab GPU and M1 GPU for image classification CNN network. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching.